This is a video that demonstrates how to install the wiring for the GoGo Gear signal jacket. Now, you've got the inside of the hoodie jacket right here, and you'll see a cable that comes out of the zipper. Inside the zipper is all the protective padding, but it's also where all the lights are. And so this cable, it's a basic data cable that has a very familiar looking USB type connector here. This is included with the jacket when you purchase it, and then this cable right here actually is contained inside the jacket. You'll find it either inside the cell phone pocket or you'll find it inside the jacket here. This data cable connects to the USB right there, and then the cable, as you see, goes around here. And in my bike, the wiring for the lights comes in through the back here. And all of these green cables that you see in here with the white tape around it, those are all of the lighting wires. And what you'll see here is you've got 4 wires right here, all different colors. I have everything set up where my black is for the ground, which is connected to this one here. And then these 3 green ones that are inside the bike for the lighting, those are the 3 different lights, left and right turn signals and the brake light. And then you can see right here, there is a green, a red, and a white wire. And those are the 3 wires that are going to connect to, on my bike here, the green cables here. And what you'll need to do is get a crimper and some of these little electrical connectors, and you take the wires and you connect them together from the bike lighting to the jacket lighting wires, and then you connect them together and you crimp them so that the connection is super tight. You've got your ground right here, and then what you'll do is you'll turn the bike on and you'll see whether or not the connections are working properly. So you just have to make sure you know which one is for the left turn signal, the right turn signal, and the brake light. Sometimes if you're doing this as a do-it-yourselfer, it takes a little bit of fiddling around, so you don't want to crimp it too early in the process. Otherwise you'll have to rip it apart and put it together again once you figure out which one is the brake light, the left turn signal, and the right turn signal. Hopefully that's helpful and that you enjoy the jacket. Thanks so much.